rocking my G-Shock. I'm 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 rocking my G-Shock.
What's up, YouTube? I'm out here pheasant hunting with the old faithful GW9400. Check it out. There we are. 8:45 in the morning. Not too late, not too early. About to go get it on. Let's see if we can get any birds today, guys. Let's go. All right, back home, able to get one pheasant. Long day, but it was fun. Just walking through and looking at all the scenery and just the experience itself. So it's my first time on hunting pheasants, and I think I'm gonna do it more often. It was a lot of fun, and hopefully you guys enjoy that. Not a long video, but just a little something creative. Till next time, I'll see you guys soon. Chicago, I'm out of here. Peace.
I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my G.